you go out there and you go in everywhere you have the problem. And yes, you like let me show you. Yes, Mom, let's show you. This is yours.
Welcome back to another vlog. So in today's vlog, you probably saw by the title, we are evacuating for Hurricane Florence. And we are still packing. It's Wednesday, the 12th, or is it the 11th? I don't know. No, it's the 12th. And we are about to leave. We're just gonna make this into a vacation. Because even if the hurricane doesn't come, which that's probably why we're evacuating, it's going to come. But hopefully it turns into a tropical storm or something. I just really hope nothing really happens. So, yeah, let's get this show on the road. We have an hour left.
1 hour. You wanted to go to Disney? We're almost there. It's a long time.
So that means we'll get there at 8. Wait, what time is it?
No, closer to 9. Yeah, but it's stopped. She was right. She was stopped.
No, 8. Since it's an hour.
Okay,
8:50.
Is it okay?
Okay.
What?
Kelsey, look. Kelsey, look up.
Just enjoy the ride, guys.
Kelsey, look up.
Just enjoy the ride.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16. Just count the minutes down.
Vacation.
What you doing?
Woo.
She's just been eating the whole time, literally. She ate almost all of the Cheerios box. Bison's getting to be get really dark right now. And I think I'm just gonna sleep.
Kylie, put it on my legs.
I have nothing else to do, and my hip hurts.
You sleep.
You don't know how bad it hurts. It hurts so bad.
Kylie.
What?
When you sleep, time goes fast. That's what I'm trying to do.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do. I was just gonna take a little nap. So yeah. It's been a long car ride. I feel like it's been forever. But I promise you guys, as I said earlier, I'm definitely gonna give you a tour.
If not
when we get there.
tomorrow.
Yeah, if I'm too tired and it's like a catastrophe and stuff, and if it's late, I probably won't give you a tour tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. But I definitely will give you a tour of it. Guys, oh my gosh, it's dark now. Look how pretty the sunsets are here. Oh, look how pretty there it is. Here's a good opening. Oh, right there. It's so pretty. Oh, right there with the lake. Yes. Oh, there we go. Take a screenshot. How do you take a screenshot? Oh wait, no, you didn't want me to. People can take screenshots. Here, give it up. You really can't see it. It's so pretty.
I'm not on your side.
So it is, what time is it? I have no idea.
7:44.
It's 7:44. I'm
20 more
not
minutes.
adjusting. What?
20 more minutes.
Hey guys, so I found a flashlight. Woo! So that's what I'm going to use for the light, because this is the light that's right now. Yeah. So here's the light. Okay. So right now, we are almost there. We have 30 minutes left. Yeah. Okay.
37.
37?
36.
Oh, the sunset left on this side. Oh my gosh, the sunset on that side I just showed you is amazing. Literally, it's the best. So I'm so excited to go there and get our spots and get our places. And then I'm so excited to show you guys the place. We haven't been there in a year. I'm so happy to be back in Florida because you guys didn't know. Keira.
When do you stop?
I want this one.
Kelsey?
Hey guys, so we finally made it at the hotel.
Yay! Finally.
Here. Thank God. Here's the other side. That's not the hotel, but that's parking. So me and Keira are still in the car.
We're protected.
Yeah, you can't see her. I'm just using a flashlight to do this. Here. Okay, so we're going to show you guys the tour in a little bit. Literally, I am so tired. Like, look at the lines under my eyes. Oh my gosh. So we are here. I'm so excited.
We'll give you a tour when we
Literally,
get to the
Kelsey
hotel.
was crazy excited. She,
She's been crazy.
Kelsey's in there, my dad and my mom and Caleb are in there getting like our room and stuff at the main place. And then there's different buildings of like apartments of stuff, the places. So hopefully we get a good view. I think we have a porch area.
Do we? I can't remember.
Yeah. Last time we did, I remember.
Kiki.
So yeah, well, so we're gonna go into the room at the same time as you guys are gonna see it, because we haven't been here in like a year. So like this is gonna be like our first time seeing it.
I know
in a
what
while.
it looks like.
I mean, I know what it looks like, but like it could be different.
We could get a different room.
We will get a different room, but like it'll be the same size and stuff. So yeah, we'll see you guys when we finally go into the place, because like it's 8:30. And I actually have to go to the bathroom.
And I'm starving.
And like I really want to go. Yeah, and we haven't had dinner yet. I don't know what that light in the back is. Creepy.
Game master.
So guys, see you later.
And you go out there and you go in everywhere you have to problem. And yes, you like let me show you. Yes, Mom, let's do it. This is yours. Oh, this. You were so good.
I don't think you're supposed to go back there unless you're working.
Oh, the shine of 1,000 spotlights. Oh, the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough. Never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, but it'll never be enough. Never be enough. For me, never, 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 for me, for me, for me. Guys, so we just got here in Florida, and now Keira is going to give you the place tour. So yeah, let's go.
Your tour guide.
Sorry, it's a little messy because we just like kind of like
Please look this
Moved
way.
in.
Over here. Over here. Over here. First, we'll show you the washer and dryer. Yes, it's wonderful. I know. That's not the best part though. Here is the kitchen with these wonderful stools where you can eat breakfast. Please come inside the mouse kitchen to find this cute little towel. That's really cute how they make that. Like, cute. Okay, here's the kitchen, the stove. Here, your main kitchen. Here's the dining room. We'll show you our room last. Here's the dining room. I love this lamp. Ready? Hey. And this wonderful plant that's not real. Yep, it's not real.
Caleb's trying to set up his Xbox. Oh, I think he did it.
Caleb's in. Caleb.
Here's the living
Caleb
room.
likes the room because he has his Xbox. Oh,
And then here's Mom and Dad's room.
Kelsey's bedroom. Look at this. Look.
There's Kelsey's bed.
It's like, it's like a hot tub.
It's the...
If you were to do 24 hours in a bathroom, it'd be here. Because, I mean, I'd sleep in there.
And here's...
Mommy, where do I put this?
Oh, and over here, my favorite part.
Okay, in a second. Okay, so there's that. Here, I'll show you outside quickly. Actually, we'll show you outside tomorrow. In the morning.
Why light outside.
Yeah.
Here's the bathroom to our room.
The kids' bathroom.
Here's the toilet and the shower. And over
If
here.
you're wondering what's in the closet, nothing, just like stuff. Our room. Mine and Kira's room.
My bed. And our closet.
So that's Kira's bed, and this is my bed, as you can see. Here's our closet. Sounds like there's a person in there. I hate the person in there. It's the end of our, what's it called? Hotel room tour. So we're gonna show you guys the, porch balcony area tomorrow. There's not really much to it. I mean, it's a balcony. So yeah, I need to go. I'm going to the store with my dad. So, I guess we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that tour of our room. Yes, go where? Go where? Oh. It's like 9 o'clock right now. It's like 9 o'clock. And now we're gonna go around and ask what was the best part of your day. Let's go. First we're gonna do Kylie.
Alright, are you going with us?
No, I'm just doing this. What was the best part of your day?
Definitely not the ride here. It was painful.
Probably getting here.
Probably getting here.
That was my, Daddy, what was the best part of your day?
Best part of my day was making here safely and
Thank you. I'm shaking.
yeah, just being here with my family.
Let's
Having
go
a
as
vacation.
Kelsey.
Alright, let's go.
Kayla, what was the best part of your day?
Are you vlogging it?
What was the best part of your day? Finally being able to play Fortnite. Mom, what was the best part of your day?
Cycle art class this morning.
Kelsey, what was the best part of your day today?
That's I'm breaking with my sweetie and my stuff's over here. This one and this way.
Here, you want to show them where's your bed, Kelsey? Show them where your bed is.
My bed right here, and you was
Here's your cute little bed.
one.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. And see you tomorrow. Bye. Wait, ready? Watch.
Best day ever.
Oh, there's blue one. I mean, like a light blue. So what would you? So if one of us saw a red, we can't say the same thing twice. They would hit us, and say Skittles. Ow. And yeah, that's the whole main part of the game. I mean, you don't really need to slap the person if you don't want to. It just makes it way more fun.
I don't understand why they had to slap.